Welcome to Knowledge Panel. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most extraordinary plants on Earth, the bamboo tree. Found in diverse corners of our planet, from the lush rainforests of the Amazon to the misty mountains of Asia, bamboo has captivated cultures for centuries. Whether you're an environmental enthusiast, a nature lover, or just curious, bamboo's unique qualities are sure to amaze you. Let's explore some fascinating facts about this incredible plant. In the heart of the plant kingdom, a silent race is always underway, a competition for resources, for sunlight, for survival. And in this botanical marathon, one contender stands out: the bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on the planet. Certain species can grow up to 3 feet in just 24 hours. Imagine waking up to a bamboo shoot that wasn't there the day before. This rapid growth makes bamboo a highly sustainable resource. Bamboo's delicate appearance can be deceiving. Beneath its slender stalks lies a strength that rivals even the might of steel. Bamboo has a higher tensile strength than steel, meaning it can withstand more stress without breaking. This remarkable property stems from the unique structure of its fibers, arranged in a way that maximizes both strength and flexibility. This property makes it an ideal material for construction, from scaffolding to furniture, and even bridges in some parts of the world. In the hands of skilled artisans, bamboo transforms into intricate structures, a testament to its versatility and resilience. In a world grappling with overconsumption, sustainability is a necessity. Bamboo emerges as a shining beacon. Some bamboo species can be harvested in just 3 to 5 years. This rapid growth makes it an incredibly renewable resource. Harvesting bamboo doesn't kill the plant, allowing it to regenerate. It's a win-win for both industry and the environment. Chapter 4. Oxygen Production Powerhouse. As the Earth's lungs, forests play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our atmosphere. And within this emerald embrace, bamboo stands as a champion of oxygen production. Bamboo produces up to 30% more oxygen than an equivalent stand of traditional trees. This remarkable ability stems from its rapid growth rate and efficient photosynthesis process, converting sunlight into life-giving oxygen at an accelerated pace. So, planting bamboo can be a powerful way to combat deforestation and improve air quality, making our planet a little greener with each shoot. Every rustling leaf, every swaying stalk, is a testament to bamboo's contribution to the air we breathe. Chapter 5. Natural Water Absorber. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is a precious resource, essential for all living things. And in the intricate web of nature, bamboo plays a crucial role in managing this precious commodity. Bamboo has a remarkable capacity to absorb water, which helps prevent soil erosion and can even filter pollutants out of water. Its extensive root system acts like a natural sponge, soaking up excess water and preventing runoff, which can carry away topsoil and nutrients. This makes bamboo an excellent plant for maintaining healthy ecosystems, protecting watersheds, and ensuring the availability of clean water for both humans and wildlife. Chapter 6. Naturally pest-resistant. In the relentless battle for survival, plants have evolved an arsenal of defenses to ward off pests and diseases. One of bamboo's lesser-known superpowers is its natural pest resistance. Bamboo contains compounds that deter pests, acting as natural deterrents against a wide range of insects and other invaders. This means it requires fewer pesticides compared to other crops. This natural resilience not only protects the bamboo but also reduces the chemical load on the environment, safeguarding the delicate balance of ecosystems. From the lush bamboo forests of Asia to the cloud forests of South America, bamboo sustains a diverse array of creatures. Animals like pandas, elephants, and lemurs rely on bamboo. For the giant panda, bamboo is almost 99% of its diet. These gentle giants efficiently digest bamboo, extracting vital nutrients. In some cultures, bamboo shoots are harvested for human consumption. Bamboo shoots are a culinary delicacy in many Asian cuisines. Bamboo nourishes both wildlife and humans, showcasing its ecological importance. Bamboo's versatility knows no bounds. Beyond its ecological benefits, bamboo is used in countless ways, from building materials and textiles to paper and medicine. It's a plant that can truly do it all, reflecting cultural ingenuity. In construction, bamboo's strength and flexibility make it ideal for scaffolding and houses. Its fibers are woven into durable textiles for clothing, mats, and baskets. Bamboo's versatility extends to medicine, used for centuries in remedies. As our planet grapples with the consequences of climate change, the need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions has become more urgent than ever. In the fight against climate change, bamboo is a valuable ally. It absorbs more carbon dioxide and produces more oxygen than many other plants, making it an excellent carbon sink. This means that by planting and using bamboo, we can help reduce the impact of greenhouse gases and protect our planet. As bamboo grows, it locks away carbon within its fibers, effectively removing it from the atmosphere. This process, known as carbon sequestration, makes bamboo a powerful tool in mitigating the effects of climate change. Bamboo isn't just physically strong, it holds deep cultural significance, particularly in Asia. In many cultures, bamboo symbolizes strength, flexibility, and longevity. It's often featured in art, literature, and religious practices, reflecting its enduring importance in human life. In Chinese culture, bamboo is one of the four gentlemen of plants, alongside the plum blossom, orchid, and chrysanthemum. It represents resilience, humility, and integrity, qualities highly valued in Chinese philosophy. In Japan, bamboo is associated with purity and prosperity. It's often used in traditional ceremonies and festivals, symbolizing good luck and fortune. From ancient myths to modern art, bamboo continues to inspire and captivate, a testament to its enduring place in human culture. As we've seen, bamboo is much more than just a plant. It's a marvel of nature that supports life, helps the environment, and provides countless benefits to humanity. Whether it's as a construction material, a food source, or a symbol of resilience, bamboo truly stands tall. If you enjoyed learning about the bamboo tree, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature facts. Have any questions or interesting bamboo facts of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.